We're trying to understand how we can get more of Indiana's farmland in conservation practices, soil health practices, controlled drainage, a variety of different practices to improve the soil and to improve the water quality of the water coming off of those fields. We seem to have plateaued. People that have adopted no-till and cover crops have done it. We're sort of told by the producers themselves that those who want to are, and those who don't want to aren't. But USDA and others, the USDA and the NRCS, the Natural Resource Conservation Service, understand and see that a lot of the rental ground is just not being managed with conservation practices. And that population doesn't seem to really get a lot of the outreach. So one of the things we wanted to try to do is USDA said, how do we reach them? The farmers, the producers talk to each other. They go to the county extension agents. They go to the soil conservationists in the county. Absentee landowners or rented landowners often don't do that. So we wanted a way to reach those people. And we came up with the idea of trying to put together an event like we often do to talk to each other, but to reach out to people outside of that core community. This is a first attempt. We'll see how it works. Right now, I think we've got about 65% of the group are non-farmers, which is probably a record for us. What I wanted to do here today was to hear more from the farmers themselves and from me and from the people doing the research. I wanted them to hear from the farmers about why they do it. And for them, it's economics. They want healthy soil, but they also have to eat. And so the bottom line is always, can I make money doing this? And the conservation farmers that we've worked with now for almost 20 years say with a resounding yes. This is the only way they can make money. Matter of fact, I heard at a no-till conference in Ohio some years ago that if you're not doing conservation practices, if you're not doing conservation soil health management systems, you won't be farming in another decade. Reach out to a farmer that's doing it. They'll almost always talk to you, tell you what their experience has been. Those are the people that can guide you in your area better than anyone. Work with your larger group. This is the result of the Nature Conservancy, Indiana State Department of Agriculture, the Hendricks County Soil and Water Conservation District, IU Indianapolis's outreach programs, USGS staff. Everybody came together to try to figure out how to reach this group.